What's up, y'all? JT here. I owe you guys a 6S run. I owe y'all a 6S run. I've been running it on 6S myself, but I need to put my wheelie bar on here. So you guys saw in the Super Speed Saturday, this is a beast of a truck. 65 miles per hour, capable of, I'd say, about 68. Stock gearing, stock electronics. So of course, if you gear up, you got some speed going. Let's go ahead and take this off-road. I've been really running this truck. I just hadn't filmed it. I've been kind of enjoying it. Plenty of power on 6S. Sweet spot may be 4S with a 15.2 pinion gear, kind of like the, look at that, kind of like the Skeeter. Get this up here, bye bye bye. So the heavy duty steering blocks have fixed the pillow ball issue. So, and I did have some bad flips the other day, man. It was really bad and didn't break an arm or anything. So I think Team Corrali pretty much got this right. I think going forward, people won't have too many problems or issues with it. Especially those pillow balls popping up with those steering blocks. These heavy duty ones, they're good to go. So if they can add that to their current lineup, the buggies and the other trucks, our monster truggies and truggies, I think they'll be good. And then go ahead and use this platform or go ahead and design a an on-road type car. I think we're good to go. I'm trying to land kind of more on my front end so you guys can more or less see that. I thought I'd be able to land that right, but like I said, guys, those heavy duty steering blocks in there, yeah, we're good to go. If you guys can't tell, I have, look at my body clips come off and all that. I have driven this truck. Like I said, I kind of wanted to enjoy it somewhat and not always film, but let you guys know. I'll let you guys know, I should say, but just kind of film and kind of enjoy it too, because so people have asked before about the tires ballooning and stuff. Either you can put some thicker oil, especially in the front diff. I'd say go at about a 80 to 100, or just change your tires out. Because that's gonna happen on 6S. Oh, I might have overheated. Let's see real quick. I think my battery is actually dumping, because this is the same battery I used for Super Speed Saturday, and it's the same battery actually too that I used for running this the other day. I mean, telling you guys, look, I busted up the body and stuff there. So let me go ahead. I'm gonna change batteries out, and then we're gonna get this out and we're gonna run this for a couple more minutes, do a couple more jumps, but let me go ahead and get a fresh battery in here. All right, y'all, not so much a fresh battery. I gotta charge some lipos up this weekend. You guys know I was at the track the other day, so I was running several cars, out there in the field running and stuff like that. Wow, look at that, woo! Nice. Get this up here. I love when the cars hit this jump and they just kind of, like they hesitate in the air. And able to correct this very easily. Get one nice little good jump in before we end this. That's not how I wanted to end the video, but we'll get one more jump in. We just came unplugged. Man, it's a nice day here in Georgia. It's about 72, 73 degrees, so it is an RC car driving day. Kind of want to drive cars all day, but I can't. You know, we got stuff we got to do. Get this up here, bye, bye, bye. I know this battery's gonna dump too real soon. It was at 3.8 something, 3.89, 3.91, so. Yeah, I knew it was gonna dump soon. So guys, let me go over and get this real quick. And you should not do what I'm doing here. Just turn your car off and then run it. Running these lipos too low. So far, this has been good, guys. They actually got it right, and I'm happy they did. So far, time of this video, it is 2022, and Team Corrali has released two beasts of a car. They have this, and then they also have the Skeeter, and both of them have held up very well. So I will be trying to take those over to some bigger bashing areas. I saw a construction site the other day. I'm going to try to get this and the Skeeter out there and run them there too, but I'm definitely going to get this out and run through some paces. But I wanted to run this on 6S real quick. I have bashed this car. I was going to film it, but I kind of wanted to take it out and kind of just enjoy it. But I'll start trying to film some more of those bash sessions. So you guys don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.